Hello friends, welcome to the Kite, your destination for mastering project management with a strategic twist, powered by AI. In today's session, we are going to cover a few important basics. Who I am as your trainer, what is PMP and why it matters, understanding what exactly a project is, breaking down the PMP exam structure, introducing the PMBOK guide, and explaining the different development approaches in project management. Hello and welcome to the very first class of our PMP Masterclass, Strategic PM with AI Integration. I am your trainer Abhishek Roy, a certified PMP, and I am thrilled to guide you through the journey. Over the years, I have worked in ship design, offshore maintenance, and strategic project management, and now I am combining all the experience with AI innovation to make your PMP learning journey smart and strategic. So first, what is PMP? The Project Management Professional Certification is awarded by Project Management Institute. It is an industry recognized credential and demanded worldwide. It is a mandatory qualification for most project management jobs. And PMP certification is not restricted to a specific domain. A project manager working in any industry such as manufacturing, retail, defense, or information technology can write the PMP exam and upon successful completion be a PMP certified professional. Now, let's simplify the core term. Project. What is project? A project is a temporary endeavor undertaken to create a unique product, service, or result. Let's break that down simply. What is temporary? Every project has a definite beginning and end. It means that every project starts at a particular date and end at a particular date. What is unique? The outcome is something new. Even if similar projects have been done before, each project's condition make it unique. And what is product, service or result? A project can deliver a physical product, a service like setting up a customer support center, or a result like research fundings. When it comes to the PMP exam, PMI organizes the content into three domains. First is people domain, second is business domain, and third is process domain. People domain carries 42% weightage, business domain carries 8% weightage, and process domain carries 50% weightage in the PMP exam. We will go deeper into each domain in upcoming lessons. What is PMBOK guide? PMI releases a guide every 4 years called PMBOK guide, a guide to the project management body of knowledge. PMBOK guide acts as a textbook for the PMP exam. The guide can be considered a standard for the project management professional and project management practices. But I would like to add one thing over here out of these points that PMP exams follow the PMBOK guide and they are asking many questions from the PMBOK guide. But in PMP exam many times they are providing the questions from the real life scenario. So mind that you need to be a very good understanding of the textbook references and the topics. Then only you can answer the all the situational based questions. Now let's look at how projects are executed. These are called development approaches. In project management, development approaches refer to the different ways a project can be structured and executed to deliver the final product, service, or result. They guide how the work is planned, performed, and managed. Please look at the following figure: development approaches. If you carefully see the development approaches, you can see there is an arrow or two-headed arrow, and left hand side is representing predictive and right hand side is representing adaptive. In between predictive and adaptive, there is a hybrid. When we are approaching from the predictive approach to the adaptive approach, there is project delivery is increasing iterative and incremental way. Now we will discuss all the definitions in the next slides. Let's discuss on different type of development approaches. The first one is predictive approach. This is also called plan driven or waterfall approach. Most or all planning happens upfront, Scope, schedule, and cost are determined early and changes are controlled carefully. Examples: building a bridge, shipbuilding, etc. The second one is iterative approach. Focuses on repeating cycles to refine the product. Scope is determined early, but time and cost estimates evolve as the project progresses. The product is developed through successive prototypes or versions. Example: developing a new smartphone model. In the next slide, we will discuss another two approaches. Let's discuss about next two development approaches. The first one is incremental approach. Delivers usable portions, increments of the product regularly. Each increment adds functionality. Examples: releasing software features one at a time. The next one is agile approach. A combination of iterative and incremental. High degree of collaboration with stakeholders. Responds quickly to changes, flexible in scope and requirements. Examples: developing a mobile app using Scrum. In the next slide, we will discuss about the last approach, that is hybrid approach. Now I will explain the last development approach, which is hybrid approach. Mixes predictive and adaptive techniques. Some parts of the project are planned in detail, others are flexible. Examples: infrastructure work predictive and software work agile in a smart building. In the next slide, I have summarized all the 5 approaches for your easy understanding. I have summarized all approaches in a table with their characteristics and examples. Let's discuss about the table. First column is approach, second column is characteristics, and last column is example. The first one is predictive. Predictive, what are the characteristics? Plan first, execute once. Example: construction projects. Second one is iterative. Iterative, what are the characteristics? Repeat cycles, refine progressively. Example: product design. Third one is incremental. Deliver in small pieces like website rollout. Fourth one is agile. Highly adaptive, flexible, collaborative. Example: software development. And the last one is hybrid. Combined predictive and agile. Smart city projects. Quick recap. Let's test your understanding with a few simple questions. First, how do you define a project? Second, what are the 3 PMP exam domains? Third, can you name the 5 development approaches? Drop your answers in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe if you are ready to master project management the smart way. In our next session, we will dive deeper into the PMS talent triangle and the mindset required for the project leadership. Until then, keep learning, keep evolving, and remember, with the Kite, your PMP success takes flight. Subscribe now and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss the next video. Bye bye.